Welcome to FlowWright version 10.5. I'm going to be demonstrating the new Copilot features of FlowWright. We have integrated with OpenAI to provide Copilot AI features. So let me jump in and show you first the configuration. So if you go into status and if you go into settings, you have a new menu item here for AI Copilot configuration. Here I have configured with the OpenAI key, and also I have selected the model GPT-4o, and I can also control what users should have access to these features based on roles. And once this is saved, if you go into processes, we have two areas where we have integrated. One is where you can start off with a process, and let's say I'm on this particular step. This process we have in this particular step, it takes a CSV file and converts to XML. But you will see this new button here called AI Predict. I can click on this, and I can tell the number of steps to predict, and also I can also give a more better description also about this workflow, and to make it more context based to predict. And or I can just click predict, and this will build you the next three steps. It will, predict the next three steps that should go into this workflow. And if you're happy with this result, you can select the items that you want and say add to process, and those steps are added to the process. So it's simple as that to add. Uh, and the next area where we have also created or integrated the AI copilots is to build a whole process based on what you describe. So let's go ahead and do an example of that. So let's say I want to create a process that is a biotech change control process. So in this case, I'm going to go to Copilot, create process, and I'm going to give biotech change control process. And here I'm going to also give a description. I'm going to paste my description here and says this is a change control process for a biotech company. It should perform change control for a validated environment. And once I have given that, I'm going to go ahead and say generate steps. And this will communicate with OpenAI and come back and give you a whole bunch of steps that should be in your workflow. And I'm going to go ahead and say create process. And at this point, it is created. As you can see, it completely built the workflow automatically for you. So these are some of the Copilot features that we have integrated. And with every version, we'll try to expand these with more and more functionality. But this is the beginning of AI Copilot within FlowWright. Thank you for watching.